Hello everybody, I'm Waddell, it's just me, and I'm back again for another video. So it is Friday, December 17th, and I have just finished my last shift at work. So I'm about to go home, get changed, eat some food, and then I'm going to head out to do some Christmas shopping because I've literally bought nothing yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I took my last and only final on Wednesday, so 2 days ago. So I'm officially done with school and school related things today since I just finished my last shift. But yeah, so gonna get home, get ready, and do some Christmas stuff. Breakfast for lunch, breakfast for lunch. Changed and ready. There's my mask too. Okay, so slight change of plans. I'm going to Plato's now because Jess saw that they're having a big sale today. So we decided that we're gonna go to Plato's and then she's gonna go back home and I'm gonna do the rest of the things that I was supposed to do. But yeah, another fun thing to add to the day. Oh, okay, green light, gotta go. Made it, and there's this sale, 70% off. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my gosh, hi Jessica. You get to be part of my vlog. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. Got some goodies. I'm about to try them on. Okay, I just spent so long in Target trying to find something, and I don't even love what I got, but it's something and I'm over it. The stores are just like crazy. This whole area, like Christiansburg, is so full right now of people driving around trying to get things, and wow, it's just very overwhelming. Anyways, here's what I got. So I got this JoJo Siwa robe, so it's like funny, but whatever. And then, I mean, that's really what I needed. I got Sydney this book about survival because we always joke about how Sydney's prepared for everything, but now she really will be. And then I got candies and other things that I wanted. So yeah, that's it for that. Now I'm about to go into TJ Maxx and see if I can get just some other things for her gift because I'm giving her like a spa basket kind of deal. We'll see. Into TJ Maxx I go. Found some stuff. Not sure if I'm gonna stick with it yet, but almost 40 minutes later and I'm back. But yeah, someone remind me to never go shopping this close to Christmas again. Like, I knew that the Christmas rush is a thing, you know, people talk about it all the time, but wow, I don't like it. Granted, I've never really done Christmas shopping before, but yeah, reminder for next year, do it earlier, because jeez, these lines are insane. But now I'm going to head to Food Lion, I think, for my last stop, or Kroger, whatever I pass first. Pick up some cookies for the white elephant party we're having tonight, and yeah, gonna go wrap up the stuff I got. Here they are. Some nail polish, I think it's like margarita mix or something, I don't know. A bath bomb, some chocolate, other stuff, whatever. You'll see it when I get home. Yeah, my bad. I got home and my roommate was there, so I didn't want to start talking about the stuff I got and then her overhear me. So I didn't end up filming anything else. But I do have this one random clip that my other roommate Sydney took while we were at White Elephant of the gift I got. So yeah, here it is.
Alright, we're doing an unboxing.
This is my scorpion. I won him. Anyways, I can't.
We're struggle busing.
I didn't play games.
And she still don't play games.
You're talking about it. This made me. Okay, I think I need it just lost 10.
There you go.
I thought one of his legs just fell. It was just the instructions. Okay.
This is going to be such a chaotic video. Look at him.
No way. My brother's like within 100.
Should we scurry on the ground?
No.
It's too fluffy. It's too.
All right, here, put him on the table, or the ground, Oh, there he goes. Oh,
That's my gift. So, I went to White Elephant. I put their gifts under the tree, and now I'm home. That was really the end of it. I didn't do too much after all the stuff that I filmed, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and come back for my next one. Bye.
oh no.
Someone just hit his head.